friends, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be making strawberry cheesecake. As a Japanese, I grew up eating mochi with a red bean paste in it, and when I found this recipe on the Magnolia Bakery cookbook, I was so excited because it looks so gorgeous. And this recipe is something between a New York cheesecake and Japanese style souffle cheesecake. It has a light in texture but very creamy, and it goes so well with tangy strawberry toppings. Let's get started. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 356 Fahrenheit. Place cream cheese at room temperature for a couple of hours to soften. To make a crust, put graham cracker and pulse it until it looks like a sand. Combine graham cracker crumbs and melted butter, and toast it and chopped walnut. Press the crumb mixture evenly into the bottom of an 8 to 9 inch springform pan to create the crust. Use a flat bottom ramekin or spoon to press it down firmly, and to the side as well. Separate the egg yolk and egg white. To make a meringue, start whisking at low speed and cut the firm part of the egg white. When it starts forming, add sugar in 3 stages, then continue whisking on low speed. Whisk until soft peaks form. Set aside. In a large mixing bowl, beat the cream cheese until nice and soft and add 1 cup of milk, room temperature, little by little until smooth and creamy. It looks like a lot of milk, but trust me, this creates light and airy texture. Add egg yolks and beat well. Mix in the vanilla and lemon zest until everything is well combined. Fold in soft meringue in 3 stages until well combined. Pour the cream cheese mixture over the prepared crust in the springform pan. Bake in the preheated oven for about 45 to 50 minutes or until the edges are set and the center is still jiggly. Cool to the room temperature and then chill in the fridge overnight. To make a strawberry sauce, wash and clean the strawberries and remove the stem, and cut in half. Combine sugar and cornstarch and then mix with prepared strawberries in the saucepan. Cook over medium-low heat, stirring frequently until the mixture is bubbling and the strawberries are softened for about 5 minutes. Remove from the pan and let it cool. And remove the froth if you don't like it. Meanwhile, remove the cheesecake from the pan. Run a knife around the edges of the pan to loosen the cheesecake. Transfer to a serving dish and spread strawberry sauce over the top of the chilled cheesecake. Slice the cake into your desired size and enjoy! Japanese strawberries are in season in winter, and the season is almost over, but at the end of the strawberry season, we have small but rich in taste strawberries at a quite affordable price. And the cheesecake is considered high in calories and very rich and heavy, but this recipe is light and airy, still creamy, delicious and flavorful. I believe that strawberries are in season in summer in many countries, so enjoy your strawberry cheesecake of your own. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!